Okay, so I'll start now. Meeting name record చేస్తున్నాను only. Okay, so just in case if anybody wants to see later, record చేసి నేను పెట్టేస్తాను. Okay, so now okay, so ఇప్పుడు ఏం చేస్తానంటే for this class what I'm going to do is I'm going to I hope I'm audible. I'm going to just import one file from AutoCAD. I'll show you, and then I'll import a file from AutoCAD and put it in import it to SketchUp. మళ్ళీ అక్కడి నుంచి will start modeling in SketchUp. Okay, so that from beginning you will understand what the process is. Fine. Okay. ఓకే సో కనపడుతుంది ఆటోకాడ్ కనపడుతుంది కదా మీకు so basically whenever you are importing these files kada so make sure all the things which are unnecessary you delete all the things which are unnecessary for your modeling. For example, these pink lines, right? These pink lines are the call beams here. So and the dotted lines we are showed it in dotted lines. So we don't, as of now, we don't need those internal beams. So what we are going to do is we are only going to work on this west side elevation. Okay, west side elevation of a residence. Okay, so this is a proposed residence of which we have worked, and Dandi, we have already developed this west elevation. What we am going to, I'm going to show this. I'm going to draft this elevation again and make this elevation in SketchUp again. I'll just show it to you so that I'm step by step you'll understand from beginning what the process is. Okay. So first what you can do is delete all the layers which are not necessary. Okay. Uh, so I feel these layers are not necessary, so I've deleted them. And this layer, text layer, and this layer. These layers are also not needed for me, necessary for me. So I'm just okay. Delete them and delete these dimensions as well. This north line, I know that that's a north line. This is a side boundary, right? Side boundary. It's better if I make it solid. This is a road. I don't need road for me. Same thing goes here. Goes here. 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 Leaving this pillars also. Pillars mostly will be hidden inside. So నేను delete చేస్తున్నాను అంటే all those things are not needed for me. So you have to initially do this basic initial exercise to so that the process of importing, right, the process gets smooth, so you don't have to worry about deleting some lines again in SketchUp. Okay, so I even to be frank, I don't need furniture as well, so I will delete this furniture. Okay, I selected this furniture, delete. Okay, Okay, so this is my basic model. Okay, now what I'll save this. Okay, save this and now open SketchUp. Open SketchUp. So what I'm going to do is, this is the residence we have worked on. Okay, so I'll try to I'll try to do the same thing again in SketchUp. Okay, so I'm going to spend time on modeling in SketchUp rather than designing. Designing is చేయట్లేదు. I'm not working on the designing. I'm just working on the modeling. Okay, so that is there. So what you have to do is just open a new SketchUp file. Open new SketchUp file. Are you seeing the SketchUp file? కనపడుతుందా SketchUp file మీకు? The new SketchUp file. Okay.
No, sir.
కొత్త న్యూ SketchUp file కనపడలేదా?
న్యూది ఓకే సార్ కనిపించింది.
This new SketchUp file, what I'm doing is file, import, AutoCAD drawing. See, already AutoCAD drawing has been selected here. AutoCAD, you see, when you look at it, AutoCAD files. Okay, AutoCAD files. So go to the location where you have downloaded this Nandyala final plan and import. As simple as that. Okay, so you have imported the file here. This is the input. Okay, now there might be an issue. You just cross check the. Okay, the perfect. Cross check the units. Okay, in AutoCAD I worked in feet and inches. Here too the drawing is in feet and inches. Try to bring it as close. Try to bring it closer to the origin, so that whenever you export the 3D modeling into other softwares like Lumion and all, you don't have to face any issues. అంటే ఆరిజిన్ కి అంత దగ్గర ఉంటే దట్స్ అంత మంచిది. ఓకే, సో నౌ ఓకే, సో వెన్ యూ ఇంపోర్ట్ ఇట్ లుక్స్ లైక్ దిస్, ఇలా కనపడుతుంది. ద ఫైల్ విల్ బి the the AutoCAD file, the AutoCAD drawing will be something like this. Okay, now what you have to do is, so it's all last I've already explained what a group is. It's all combined, it has become a group here. So what you can do is click on right click and explode. Okay. When you right click and explode, this file gets separated. See, these drawing files get separated. So now what you need to do is, you need to type in this. So when you zoom in and see, you'll see everything is been separated here. So I hope you have understood till here, right? So now what you need to do is, your target is to draw walls here. And then my target as of now, my only target is to make external elevations from this side. This is west direction. My As of now, my target is to make an external elevation. So only concentrate on making an elevation. Only concentrate on drawing your building up approximately up to here, or else if you want up till the end, so you don't have to worry about this east facing elevation. You don't have to worry about the internals inside walls of these rooms. Okay, so just only concentrate on the exterior of these rooms. Fine. So why the reason being, మీరు అంటే if you start working in detail on all these internal walls also, the whole file size might increase. I mean, will definitely increase, which you don't have to. I mean, ultimately you don't have to show as of now in the scenes the internal walls, right? So you don't have to draw these the internal walls. Okay, simple. See, the moment you start drawing, the moment you close a loop, right? Okay, ఇలా close చేస్తే you'll form a face is being formed here. Same thing here. When you draw a line like this, see, a face is being formed. A face is being generated. Okay, a face is being generated here. So try to delete all the things which you don't need. To be frank, I don't even need these windows yet. Windows I can check in my AutoCAD file and windows and ventilators and draw it later on. Even at the doors, I don't need in my CAD in this SketchUp. I can draw a door separately. I can model a door separately. Okay. Probably this will take 1 hour time, and overall the whole modeling will take approximately 1 hour time. These things I don't need. I don't need these windows yet. I will tell you the reason later on. See, delete all these windows. I mean, you could have deleted all these things in AutoCAD itself. Okay. One thing you need to see while importing, right? While importing AutoCAD to SketchUp, make sure the units in AutoCAD and the units in SketchUp are same, right? Otherwise, it will be very difficult. Otherwise, it will be very difficult for you to work. For example, if the AutoCAD file you are working on is in the units are in feet and inches, and the SketchUp file is in millimeters and meters, then you don't have to then while importing, I mean, and you might have to work in millimeters and meters. That would be complicated. So instead, in SketchUp, go to preferences and set your unit to feet and inches. Okay. So I don't have to worry about this. Sorry. Okay. Keep saving your file. Keep saving your file. Okay. Now, okay, so now you can start. Okay, so I've done the basic walls, right? Basic external and internal walls. I don't have to worry about these internal walls. Okay, so now what you can do is just start modeling. As simple as that. Line. Okay, press line. Let's concentrate on the west wall first. Okay, so what normally I do is I just make it. I erect my walls in groups. Groups ante so that last class I have told you like what are groups. Okay, double click, right click, make group. So once you double click on it, so all the boundary, see all the face with the boundary gets selected. Okay, and then what you can do is you can right click and you can make it in a group. Okay, same thing goes here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to draw a line, right click, make group. Okay, so double click, and now I'm going to erect my wall. The height of the wall is 10 feet. Press 10 and feet. That's it. As simple as that. Height of the wall is 10 feet. I don't have to again press 10 feet. So what I can do is I can double click on it. Just double click. Automatically 10 feet I paid. So okay. For example, if you there are other things, right? Heights which I've already mentioned. I'll just going to say it again. So for example, okay, I made this into group, okay, and I made this into group. Now see, now what's happening is, I'll tell you. See, when I press when I double click on it, automatically the height comes here. And by accidentally, what happens is, all of a sudden, by mistake, I, instead of pressing double click, I just accidentally just did this, and then I press double click. So what happens is, the last height what it has recorded, right? Our height convert to the our height, they will measure that. The same that height only they will measure that. Okay. సో మేక్ ష్యూర్ డబుల్ క్లిక్ చేసినప్పుడు యూ డోంట్ పుష్ పుల్. మీరు సపరేట్గా పుష్ పుల్ చేయకండి, సింపుల్గా డబుల్ క్లిక్. ఓకే, ఇంటర్నల్ వాల్స్. See. Okay. As simple as that. There's nothing complicated in it. ఇంతవరకు ఐ హోప్ యూ హ్యావ్ అండర్స్టూడ్. ఐ మీన్ ఇక్కడ దాకా అయితే మీకు అర్థమై ఉండేది కదా, వాట్ ఐ హావ్ బిన్ డూయింగ్. అర్థమైంది కదా? ఇఫ్ యూ హ్యావ్ ఎనీ డౌట్స్ యూ కెన్ ఆస్క్ మీ. ఇక్కడ దాకా టిల్ హియర్.
నో సార్.
ఏం లేదు, అర్థమైంది కదా?
ఎస్ సార్.
ఓకే. సో ఇప్పుడు యాజ్ ఫర్ నౌ let's create walls. Let's go to check AutoCAD file, and let's create windows. Windows has been located at a distance of 3 feet. AutoCAD file చూస్తున్నారు కదా మీరు, కనబడుతుంది కదా? width of window is 4 feet. Okay, this is 3 feet, 3 feet out of windows. Okay, this is your tape measure. Sorry. Tape measure, T. Press T. T is for tape measure. Draw an imaginary line. Okay, this is an imaginary line. Okay, 3 feet. I have marked it 3 feet. Draw an imaginary line. 4 feet. Same thing, tape measure. What is the height of that window from the ground? Let's consider it to be 3 feet. Okay, and height of the window. This is sill level. Sill level is 3 feet, and lintel level would be 7 feet from the ground, or 4 feet from the sill level. I just press 4 feet. Okay, done. This is done. Great. Or I can increase the height of I can increase the height of this window 5 feet. Just done. Okay, and I can reduce this 1 feet further. Just okay. Then ఇది already group లో ఉంది కదా. Double click in the group, and you have got this guidelines, right? Guidelines automatic ga akkada points, the point will get selected here automatically. This guide on face, done. Okay, see, very simple, nothing complicated in it. Okay, that's what you have to do. I'm just deleting these things. This is not needed for me now. I'm just deleting these things. Okay, same thing goes for this thing. Okay, now I have to see. That's how you create an opening for a window. Window opening, you create it. Okay, and further, if let's say you have a particular window which you have to design, sit and design, same thing, using the same push and pull command, you can design those windows. The reason for me, okay, I'll tell you the reason for me to create these things in group ఏంటంటే, let's say if I have to by accidentally, now I have made some changes in my design, and I have to move my wall 1 feet here. Okay, then I just have to select my wall anywhere. Press M command. M means move. Select my wall here. See, press M command, select the wall here anywhere, and then press 1 feet. That would be done. 1 feet, simple. That's how I've moved my wall 1 feet. Let's say if you haven't created your walls in groups, a wall in groups like చేయకుండా ఇలాగే మీరు you have erected the wall just like that, 10 feet. Okay, and now let's say you want to move the wall. See, a move wall, I just see how it's moving. Okay, 1 feet. That's how the wall is being distorted. Okay, that's not the right process, right? The wall is being distorted. See, all these things, all distortions are happening. So what you have to do is you might have to, okay, let's say if this is not in a group, what you have to do is you might have to select this thing, select this wall separately. Okay, and let's say you have selected this wall separately, then accidentally you might end up selecting all these things. Okay, you might end up selecting all these things, and let's say, and you haven't realized that you have selected all these things, and you are planning to move. అప్పుడు ఏం అయ్యిందంటే all these things will get, see, all these things and the whole model will get distorted. Okay, that will be, and a whole model is going to get distorted and it won't end up in your favorable results అంటే మీకు కావాల్సిన రిజల్ట్ రాదు. So ultimately you might have to deselect all these things. You have to check what are the things you have accidentally selected, and then select and then move it. So instead of doing all these complications, right, that's why I have created these walls in groups. Okay, so that future low, let's say all of a sudden I might have to extend these walls without, so I can extend this wall. Let's say I have to especially move this wall, or for example I have to delete this wall. I can delete this wall completely. Instead of that, if I want to delete this wall, then I might have to select everything again and then delete. If you delete, just say only one face. If I'm deleting it now, only one face is getting deleted. Then I'm going to select the other faces as well. Yani separate faces delete chestunu undali. So this is a time taking process. Okay. So in to avoid all those things, right? So what you get to do is just create a group beforehand itself, and then start working on your models. Okay, so I'm just bringing it down, just bringing it down to this. Okay. Hmm. Now I have to create I have to create my doors, right? Door, the lintel height, what the lintel height of the door, what I'm keeping is 8 feet height, right? Not 7 feet but 8 feet height for my design. It's up to the requirement. Okay. Okay, then draw a line, as simple as that. Extend this thing to here. Ante, I win. Done. My opening for the door has been created. As simple as that. No complications. Okay. Now as per drawing, I have to create a window as well. Okay, a window, the distance on it's 2 feet 3 inches, and this window is 4 feet. Okay. Let's create this 2 feet 3. Same thing. 2 feet 3, and this is 4 feet. Cool. Simple. And again I create it like this. Height demo, let's say the height of the window is again, okay, let's say the height of the window is 5 feet, only the window height. So now double click. Okay. Okay, there is some mysterious. Hmm. 5 feet height, right? This is a 5 feet height. I'm just showing it like that. This is 4 feet wide. Then rectangle, draw a rectangle and push it back. Done. Done. Okay. So this is a basic structure what I've done. Okay. So see, till here, so you have got some idea, right? Okay, so this is the basic thing. Now what I can do is, let's say I've liked this, I wanted, so you have two options. Either you can design this door as it is, that is one option one, and you have another option. You can download this material, download this door from internet. Okay, there's something called 3D warehouse. Okay, go to internet, One second now. Share content, share Firefox. Go to internet and Firefox చూస్తున్నారు కదా 3D warehouse. Go to 3D warehouse. There's something called 3D warehouse where all your SketchUp modes, all your SketchUp components, all your SketchUp groups are there. So log in, and then login చేసిన తర్వాత after you logging in, then you say you can check the door. You have different doors. Just type door entrance door. You let's say you want an entrance door. So let's say I like this door. You select this door. Okay, when downloading you have different option. Press on this thing, download. Okay, they're asking me to sign. అయ్యి అర్థమవుతుంది కదా మీకు? Just ask any doubts if you have.
ఎస్ సార్ అర్థమవుతుంది సార్.
Doors download. See, download చేసినప్పుడు ఆ SketchUp model అంటే let's say the SketchUp what you are using, the SketchUp is you are using 2018 version, right? If you are using 2018 version, then you have to download your this door component in 2018 or any lower version. So either I downloaded in 2018 or 2017. So let's say I'm downloading in 2018. So by accidentally, if you are downloaded in 2019, so it won't open in 2018. Just like your AutoCAD files. Okay. Let's say open application not found. It got downloaded. Right click. Open with SketchUp 2018. Okay. Yeah. This is start using SketchUp. Okay. చూస్తాం కదా, you can see the door కనపడుతుంది కదా.
సార్ కనబడుతుంది సార్.
ఇప్పుడు
ఎస్ సార్.
so what you do is just copy the door, Control C, and paste it here. Control C and Control V. Okay, nothing complicated. Then move command, move key M command, and then as you slowly move, then press rotate it 90 degrees. Press Q. Rotation, it should be in blue axis. And మన blue axis, we are rotating in the blue axis. See, we have 3 axes over here, right? This is blue, this is green, and this is red. Okay, so you rotate it in blue axis. As in why to complicate, ground మీద ఇలా వేసి సెలెక్ట్ చేయండి, రొటేట్ చేయండి, face it here, or main axis, and then rotate, press 90, type 90, it will rotate, automatically get rotated in 90 degrees. You are rotating and you are placing your door here. Okay, so okay, so this is it. And now I've realized, okay, my door is not fixed, not exactly to the, not being adjusted to the same dimensions here. So what I can do is I can directly edit the door. Door ని ఏం చేసాను, నేను డబుల్ క్లిక్ చేసుకొని I can edit the door, అంటే I can create ఇలా చూడండి, వాళ్ళు కూడా గ్రూప్లో వర్క్ చేస్తారు. సో డోర్ని ఎడిట్ చేసి దీన్ని నేను మూవ్ చేసి ఐఎమ్ ట్రైంగ్ టు pull it up. Pulled it up. Okay, ఇలా I can edit. So things like that I can edit like this. ఇలా కూర్చొని ఎడిట్ చేయొచ్చు. Or else see I moved it, అలా మూవ్ చేశాను. అవి కాకుండా, so like that, or else what else and you can do is go back, select this door, press S. Last class lo cheppanu, S means scale. You have to scale the object. The moment you press S, you will get some few like few green boxes. Using those green boxes, right, you can actually increase the size like this. For కానీ the size no, if you are only increasing one way, it won't be increase and proportionate increase అవ్వదు. కొంచెం proportionate increase చేయాలంటే angle నుంచి you have to increase it diagonally. Okay, let's say I've increased it to here. I've increased it like this. Great, this is my job done. Mali, okay, that's how it is. And I don't want this door handle here. Let's say I'm creating this door handle. ఇలా చేయొచ్చు. Or else if you want to create a door of your own, a window create చేస్తారు. So you can do that as well. For example, frame ఉంది. Frame regularly how the frame works. Window frame is now window frame 5. Let's say 5 inches, 4 inches. Let's say I'm creating it 4 inches. Type 4, enter. Okay, and then 4 by 3. Now I'm pressing it 2 here, 1. Very basic detail. 1 here, and I'm closing it. Then double click, make a group. Okay, group చేసిన తర్వాత then now I've ఇలా I've created this thing. The group create చేస్తాను. Okay, I can do the same thing here. 5, sorry 4. There's something called follow me command. I'll tell you. There's something called follow me command. I'll tell you that as well. Not in this class, but in next class. I'm just showing you how to do basic modeling in SketchUp as of now. Very basic modeling. In the next class, I'll tell in detail what is follow me command, and you don't have to complicate these things here. ఇక్కడ అర్థమవుతుంది కదా. సో నౌ ఐ కెన్ రెడ్యూస్ ఇది నాకు 1 inch reduce చేయాలి. So like that you can create your own window according to your design. Okay, chart 4, push. So that's how easy SketchUp is. I mean, it's not very complicated software. It's very simple. Okay, so అలాగే and you can అలా చేసుకోవచ్చు. Now let's say you created this frame. A frame you have to apply for material. How to apply a material? I've already told you in the previous class. Select this thing. Okay, then press B for bucket, or you can see the paint bucket icon, right? Paint bucket. Click on the paint bucket icon. And SketchUp already has some materials in the default library. Okay, so default materials are like concrete, brick, carpet, colors. So for let's say I need wood, right? So it has some default materials. Okay, I got this wood, and wood lo kuda I can select this thing. Let's say I've selected this wood bamboo texture. Okay, I'll hide all the things. Side. So okay, let's say I selected this wood. I can apply this wood over here directly. As simple as that. Okay, now దీంట్లో కూడా let's say you might have to make some changes, right? So go to edit our material. While that material is being selected, while the material is being selected, go to edit, and then you can make some color select. Okay, pick the sample paint color. select that material and then edit. When you're editing, you can adjust the color of the material. Let's say you can adjust the color of this material. See, that's how you can adjust the color of the material. Okay, like that you can edit it. And default రావాలంటే press this thing, you can go back to default settings. Okay, then let's say this ఇది texture ఉంది కదా, this is like it's forming a texture here. Texture ఏంటంటే then what, let's say the texture size, you did not like the size of the texture, you can increase the texture size. ఇది లింక్డ్ ఉంది అంటే let's say ఒక width నేను ఇంక్రీజ్ చేస్తే లెంత్ కూడా ఆటోమేటిక్లీ ఇంక్రీజ్ అయిపోతుంది. That's why it is been linked. So let's say I don't want 2 feet, I just want 5 inches. I'm just pressing 5. Okay, so see ఆ టెక్స్చర్ చూడు ఎలా మోడిఫై అయింది. Okay, let's say I want 1 feet. So 1 feet the texture modify in 1 feet కాదు, I want it to be 1 inch. So 1 inch చూస్తే టెక్స్చర్ మోడిఫై అయింది. So you can modify it like that. అది కాకుండా if you don't want it to be linked, what you can do is, let's say 6, you do not want it to be linked, then break that link. This would be 6 feet by 10 feet. Student, the texture is changing like that. Okay, so you can change, you can do all these things basically in your this thing. Okay, so that's how you can apply materials. Okay, I can select different materials and then apply. Okay, select, okay. For example, దీంట్లో I want to change this thing, I want to change only this portion, then select only that portion, select that material and apply, only that portion gets selected. Okay, here they have applied glass here. Okay, I don't like glass, I don't want this kind of glass, I want different kind of glass. Then select that material, go to glass and you can go to green. Let's see, they have some yellow color glass kind of option. Okay, you can make changes like that. Okay, like this. Okay, so అది అయిపోయింది, now done. So but now what happened is, let's say I have a material, I want a material which is not there in SketchUp ఈ SketchUp material list లో ఆ material లేదు, which is not there in this material list. So what I'm going to do is, అప్పుడు మీరు ఆ టెక్స్చర్, you have downloaded texture from the internet. Let's say come texture images. So I got this, let's say I like this texture here. 1 second. Okay, so what you see, you have an option. What you can do is just download a material from online, but make sure the size, image size is good enough. అంటే so that ఎప్పుడైనా, let's say you want to adjust the size, ఇందాక చూపించాం కదా, adjust the size of the texture. Even after adjusting the size of the texture should be clear enough. So that's why download an image whose size is big enough. Okay, let's say this is small size, 420 by 280 is small size. So let's then search for size which is which you can let's say, I'm just checking this. This is big enough size, 2627 into 1755. Okay, I'm just saving this image, save it at a good place. Let's say I'm saving it on desktop. Okay, texture అలా సేవ్ చేశాను, I've saved it in. Then go back to your SketchUp file. Okay, and what you can do is, there's an option here, create material. You have an option called create material here, create material. Okay, click on the create material, name your material. Okay, and then use texturing, browse your location, this. Okay, browse for this location. Okay, browse for this location and then desktop. Where is the desktop? This is your texture, open the texture image. Okay, the texture image has been opened, and whatever editing you want to make and whatever color changes you want to do that. Okay, and press OK. So that image is selected and you can apply that material. Okay, okay, so the material has been applied. I think opacity, I have reduced opacity issue in it, so increase that opacity, 100% opacity. Okay, once see that material has been applied, a basic thing. Okay, that's these are some of the very basic things what you can do in SketchUp initially. So start working on these things. Okay, ఇది అయిపోయింది. Then this is done. This is done. And so that's how you work on it. See, I've already sent you. I've already sent you the SketchUp file. Follow the same ideas and start working on it. If you have any doubts, you can come and contact me. I can help you figure out. For example, let's say, see what, see these, a curtain only. I have a curtain here. This is only for representation purpose. That's why what I've done is, కనపడుతుందా ఈ SketchUp file? Is this SketchUp file visible to you?
నో సార్
SketchUp file కనపడలేదా? Okay, sir.
లేదు కనపట్లేదు సార్
ఇప్పుడు కనపడుతుందా?
సార్
సో ఇప్పుడు ఏం చేస్తానంటే since this model was made only for representation purpose, right? So what I've done is I've just this door ఉంది కదా, ఈ door, sliding door, the sliding door also I've downloaded from the 3D warehouse. Okay, SketchUp warehouse. And then వెనకాల you can see the curtain here. The curtain also I've downloaded from 3D warehouse. Okay, so you can 3D warehouse for to give some better and you don't have to sit and design curtains in SketchUp. That is not required. Okay, curtain kuchum design cheyakaledu. If you want to design, you can design your railing, you can design the door, you can design those windows. If you're going for a design which is slightly unique, which is not a typical design, then you can design it on your own. Okay, that would be a good option. These are some of the things. Okay, that's how you can apply for materials. For example, the brick undi, the individual brick undi. Okay, I'll tell you. Okay, about this brick as well. I'll tell you. Now let's say I want to have the same texture here and the same brick pattern here. Because brick pattern ఉంది కదా, I want to let's say I want to do this brick pattern over here. So how to do it? I've already told you. I'm telling it again. Select that ఒక brick form చేయండి. Let's say 8 inches. This brick size is 8. This is 8 no? This is 4. 8 8 16. 4 by 8 by 16. Make group. This is 16. Okay, now texture, apply the texture, same texture. Let's say this is my brick now. Texture apply some. Now the texture of the brick I have to increase. Now observe this. If at all, let's say I'm increasing the size of the texture. 2 feet kakunda I want it to be 4 feet. So అన్నిటికి ఆ టెక్స్చర్ అప్లై చేసిన అన్నిటిలో ఇంక్రీజ్ అయిపోతుంది. ఇక్కడ కూడా ఇంక్రీజ్ అవుతుంది, ఇక్కడ కూడా ఇంక్రీజ్. ద హైట్ ఈస్ బీయింగ్ ఇంక్రీజ్డ్, ద సైజ్ ఆఫ్ ద టెక్స్చర్ ఈస్ బీయింగ్ ఇంక్రీజ్డ్ ఆటోమేటిక్లీ ఎవ్రీవేర్. వేర్ ఎవర్ యూ హ్యావ్ అప్లైడ్ ద టెక్స్చర్ ఇట్ విల్ గెట్ ఇంక్రీజ్డ్. ఓకే, వై? బికాజ్ అంటే నార్మలీ అంటే ఒక మెటీరియల్కి వన్ టైప్ ఆఫ్ టెక్స్చర్ ఉంటుంది కదా, సో దట్స్ వై. ఓకే, దెన్ వాట్ ఐ హావ్ డన్ ఇస్, దెన్ సే ఐ మేడ్ ఇన్ టు గ్రూప్ అండ్ మల్టిపుల్గా లెట్స్ సే ఐ వాంట్ అప్లై ఇట్. Copy, how to copy, control and move command, specify the distance 2 feet. Okay, and keeping it as it is, I want 10 more, then press X and 1 0. Automatically you'll find 10 copies. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and 10. You'll find 10 copies. కానీ ఇప్పుడు ఏంటంటే I made it in group is fine. And all of a sudden I realized, okay, the height of it is not 16 inches, the height of it is slightly less, which is 14 inches. Then I have to reduce the size. Double click on it. I'm reducing the size 2 inch so that it becomes 14 inch size. Kani, now what's happening is, now that I have reduced the size here, it's not, then I might have to end up reducing the size everywhere. And I have to sit and reduce the size, or again I have to copy everything. So instead of doing that, what you can do is make this as component, create it as component. Right click, make component, create them as component, name it if you want, name it at poro brick and name చేయండి, created a component, and then same thing, copy multiple copies. Okay, now ఇప్పుడు ఏం చేస్తుంటే, okay, I have to increase the size by 2 inch again. So if I am increasing here, so అన్నిట్లో automatically increase అయిపోతుంది. See, you can see, okay, 2 inch increase అయితే everything is being increased. Okay, so that's the difference between a group. What is the use of a group అని చెప్పాను. I've shown you the use of a group. Someone is waiting there. So now I've shown you what is the what's the meaning, and what's the use of a group, and what's the use of a component. Columns there, most of the columns, and typically some of the columns in a residence are of same sizes, are of, for example, 9 by 12, 9 inches by 12 inches, or 9 inches by 15 inches. Okay, let's say the columns are of size 9 inches by 15 inches. You can make one column, and you can make one column, create it as a component, and copy the component everywhere, and use the same component everywhere. So that, let's say the height of the building is 10 feet, and all of a sudden the client has said that, okay, I don't want 10 feet, and being an architect, you have decided 10 feet is not enough the height, I want to increase the height to be 11 feet. So you don't have to individually sit and increase the size of those columns. What you can do is, you can just change the size of one column, and all the columns, the heights of all the columns will get increased. Okay, so last class lo cheppinatte same thing, I've shown it practical, and last class lo kuda I've explained almost similar things. I'm trying to show it, I'm showing you all the same things. So what I'll do is I'll mail you this AutoCAD file. Okay, I'll mail you this AutoCAD file, and I'll mail you the 3D file. Okay, and start working on it, and show me some progress by tomorrow. By tomorrow morning, show me some progress, what you have done. I'll check your mistakes. Okay, and I'll correct them. And in the process, if I come up with something new, okay, some new command which I haven't discussed with you, I'll discuss those commands with you. Okay, so slowly, and sometime I'll tell you basics of rendering, how to do render in V-Ray. Okay, and అది కూడా ఉంది, topography. You also need to learn topography. If the site is located on a hill, or site has a lot of contours, then topography comes into picture. Okay, topography cheyadaniki there's a tool in SketchUp what you call a sandbox. You can use a sandbox, and you can do that thing. So similarly, there are different things what you can do. Okay, so start working on it, show me some progress by tomorrow morning, and you share your screen with me, and I'll tell you step by step if you have made some mistakes. So don't forget your groups, don't forget your components, don't forget your applying materials. Okay, and basically initially you have to create faces. Okay, make sure even in the faces you have two types. The face looks gray in color. When you right click and reverse faces, it looks white in color. So try to do until the output, right? The final output after you extrude, after you pull and push of the face, should look white in color and not gray in color. Indukante, the reason being, when you render it, for rendering you apply the materials, right? So while rendering, when you apply materials on a gray surface, it won't be the render will not be proper. I mean, the final output will not be properly done. So if you have applied material on a white surface, then the output will look would be correct. Okay, so that's why make sure all your surfaces are white in color. All the final output, all your walls are white in color. Okay, sir, if you have any doubts, you can ask me now.